was good.
If I doors, I'm going too crazy. Vroom. But if I doors, I'm going too crazy.
Right here.
Zoom.
So guys, it's your boy Aubreymwale, and I'm back with the next video, man. So you can see right here. Right here, man. You know what's going on, man. I'm about to show you something crazy, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, man, for more videos like these. Can I take a video of it? Can I take a video of it? Yeah, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Guys, check this out, guys. It's dope, right? Okay, they have Jesus here. They have Jesus. Okay. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos like these, guys. They have Jesus here. Then they have a whole thing here, a boat that says don't touch. Yeah, don't touch, guys. God, Jesus, everything's good. This is right here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Been through a long day today, but we're out here, man. I'm gonna go ahead to that side of the world and just shoot some more video, because that's the whole thing these days. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Yes, sir, man. I'm just gonna skate on. I'm just gonna skate towards that side. Go more forward, then get somewhere. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. So yeah, guys, we'll continue in the video from here. I just went forward now. I just from the boat scheme, but yeah, we're moving forward. I'm just trying to see what's to the other side. Shout out the bootleggers. That's the bootleggers. Then there's a building right here. They have a whole thing here and here. Guys, I'm just chilling right now. I'm tired and going to move forward towards that side. Just checking out the weather. The weather is good today. I'm not gonna lie, the weather is good today. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. There's more videos coming soon like this. Look at the coast, look at the coast. Yes, sir. Continuing the video. What's good, guys? It's your boy Aubrey, man, and I'm back with the next one, man. So I'm at the mall here. Just trying to get to that side so that I can get over there to the top there. Then I can do planning to do. Yes, sir, guys. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this video. We're off to 500 subscribers. I'm making this video because anytime soon, you know, I might be leaving the country, so I'm trying to get as much content as I can, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, guys. There's more videos coming. My phone is dying. Yeah, my phone is dying. That's why I've been doing short clip videos. Yes, guys. Whew. Yes, guys, but there will be more videos coming soon on this channel. More bangers, you know, more of everything that is there, more pranks. I'm about to start a prank series. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know. Oh man, just chilling. I'm about to go in the mall. I don't think in the mall, I don't think you're allowed to film, but I'm gonna film anyway. I'm gonna try and sneak into the cinemas. I'm gonna try and do a lot of shit. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this video, because we outside, you know what I'm saying? Gang.